Hello friends, today what we are going to do is we are going to blink an external LED using an Arduino. So for that I have logged into my Tinkercad, and on Tinkercad I am using circuits. Now from basic components I have taken an LED and an Arduino Uno. Now let us make the connections. Now if you see an LED, on LED there are two terminals, one is a cathode, one is an anode. The tilted one is an anode, that is a positive terminal. So we need to keep in mind that the positive terminal always needs to be connected towards the pin, and the negative terminal needs to be connected at the ground. So this is Arduino. I am connecting this terminal to pin number 2. I have connected it to pin number 2. Now the negative terminal I am connecting it to ground. So you can see there is a ground here besides pin number 13. So I am connecting it using a black wire. So we are ready with our connections. So it's a simple connection. We have an Arduino and there is an LED which is connected to pin number 2 on anode and ground on cathode. Now let us code this, as it cannot run directly. We need to code this. So I am going to move the circuit slightly towards my left. Just a moment. I'll rearrange it here so that I can bring it. I can open my code window. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to block code it. So when you open the code section, you will get three options here: block and text. So as this series I'm going to do all my block coding. So once you open block, you will see there are two blocks, one is start and one is forever. So when I start, that means when I start the simulation, I need to give a block here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring a block here which is saying print to serial monitor. Now I'm going to type here blink LED. So on start, the serial monitor is going to show blink LED with new line. So it is going to write this on serial monitor and it is going to go to a new line. Okay. So let us move on to a new block. So in forever block, I am going to set the pin. So I am going to take this. So set pin. Now my LED is on pin number 2. So I'll select 2. So set pin to high. That means the LED on which it is connected to that pin is going to go on high, that is on. Now I am going to give wait command. Okay, that is wait 1 second, and before wait I will be putting in on serial monitor. I'm staying on serial monitor LED high. So what is going to happen is pin number 2, that LED is going to be high, and on the serial monitor we will see written LED high and it will go to new line. Okay, and then it is going to wait for 1 second, and then we want the LED to go low. So set pin to, so not this one, set pin to low. Now the next block is the same one, only the thing is we will be saying serial monitor LED low, and again from controls I'll say wait for 1 second. So this is my block code. You can see the code. On start, the serial monitor is going to say blink LED. Serial monitor is a display monitor where we get a message what is programmed here. Then this is going to run forever. What do you mean by forever? Forever means is going to go in a loop. This is going to follow itself. So first is that pin is going to go on high. That means you will see LED on. Then there will be a message that is LED is high, and the LED is going to stay on for 1 second. And then the pin is going to go low. You will get a message, and then it is going to stay on low or off for 1 second, and that is going to go forever. Okay, now let us see. So whatever program we have done here, we can see the output by clicking on start simulation. Now see, now you can see here there is a blast here which is being shown, and there is an exclamation mark. That means our hardware connection, there is some issue. Now I know that issue. I'm going to stop this, and I'm going to add one more thing into this circuit, that is a resistor. A resistor is a device which controls the flow of current. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to connect my resistor between the ground and an LED. So I'll delete this wire, I'll take the resistor, I will connect it to the ground, and from here I will connect it to my negative. Okay, and we have the same code. So let us try to run again. Now see, our LED is glowing. It is blinking for 1 second, it is going off for 1 second, and this is being continued. Okay, now you can see the serial monitor by clicking here. You can see LED high low. Now if I press this button, this is a restart button. When I press this button, the program is going to go on start again. So I am going to do that. I am clicking this. So see, blink LED, that was our first message. Then LED high, LED low, in that sequence as it is given in forever loop. So you can try this simple program at home, and if you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.